I'm a self-taught coder, learned to code when I was about 14, and I started a company in 2018 or 2019, mostly focused on business-to-business sales and marketing data. And in doing that business, one of those really important parts of that was figuring out um, who was important to target and for what reason, because you need sales leads and marketing leads in your business, right? And doing that, I had to study a lot of data. And the only way around that was by using machine learning and AI. So I really cut my teeth in the AI machine learning business in my previous business. And now moving into Takara, I want to take what I learned, which was a great deal of pain and anguish, and opening that up, wider into bespoking and creating really, really powerful tools for businesses in any kind of AI and machine learning workloads that they need. I'm really excited about for two reasons. Uh, Number one, there's a lot of talk about AI in the space. There's a lot of, hello, this is AI. AI is a thing. You should be aware about it. But there's not many talks or workshops about, what do you do with AI? How do you use it? And this is the whole point of this. The idea of this workshop is for you to come out and then know where you're going to go with your AI journey, where you're going to go next, what you can do, the real power of AI. So we're going to cover lots of things like how to use ChatGPT to its full potential, way outside of just create me a blog post. We're going to talk about how you can go from that and use a company like ours to build you really, really impressive and all-encompassing tools to take you to that next level. As well as we're going to show you some other tools that you may not really know about that you can use in your daily life. And finally, something that will be, more of a topic that we think is going to be important in the future, which is the security in AI and how you make sure that you're not sharing sensitive information. And you can visit this workshop very easily, 9:30 a.m. in the morning, Friday, 1st of March. This workshop is really aimed at business leaders, heads of department, heads of technology, and anyone that works in a business or runs a business where they think they can gain a lot of productivity. They do a lot of menial tasks. They might be an analyst that looks at a lot of data to create reports. Um, Workloads that require a lot of like human actions. Those are people that are going to get the most benefit out of this, because this workshop is about creating productivity in your business and in your work life. And that is really what AI is really good at doing. So I would really say if you're one of those people, you should definitely come down, because you're going to get a lot out of it.